Hello family, good afternoon. This afternoon I'm doing this video purposely to, to talk about triple, vital, essential government papers blue me way. This country way, you miss need him very much, but people process here, look out himself, process here, also fail him me very much. And you want the people in that process, I want to tell you that these three papers and these three documents especially, an ID card, national identity card, police clearance, the medical certificate. If you want the officer or individual Papua New Guinean so go come look simple paper na you work lo delay this la process lo kisim la paper stuff, you must saw yourself. You are the reason for the inflation in this country. You are the reason for this country's economical fall. These people all go come look some papers. Sometimes la work money. Na pagaman sim tax lol. All ba support the economy of this country. Na you go working school process go longer na making them hard the people look. Kisim this papers stop there. Changing this passing. Making work using fortnight lamb straight there. Stopping this side or unnecessary side work stop na. You know working rightful work blue. NID card and long the process too much. Even you buy 40 kina, buy you start 2 months na buy you kisim NID card blue. One kind of some is la process go no this lab. Police clearance na. Medical certificate at least more right league, but you want to doctor man or play money face blue start. You must stop in slap passing. Support your country blue. That's what you can do for your country. You stop in slap kind of passing. One kind of shame you shit man inside an idea you go play on side all. Gaman or passing number now go delay process blood something no flow. One kind of shame man inside look. Bulu pindi also one map where you go delay process blow. Kisim. Police clearance stuff. These papers are very essential for this country's workflow na progress blood. This country's economy, so better make it happen in the right way. Thank you very much for watching. Much love and stay blessed. Kids.
Today's a gift, for we don't know what tomorrow. My brain life is too short for so, and I don't like holding on to little brothers that will keep on taunting me. Just wanna live my moments with the happiness. That's what I say. What do I want my pay? You should let it go and just forget it all, yo. They say life is a race, and I'm on the chase until I realize I'm still chasing my dreams, yeah. They say life is a race, and I'm on the chase until I realize I'm still chasing my dreams, yeah. Oh.